Hello everyone, thank you for coming back to my channel. I appreciate you for stopping by. Today is a simple everyday eyeshadow look. I will be using the Saharan 2 by Juvia'S. Saharan, I hope I'm pronouncing that correct, but here is the color. This color right here will be for today. It's an everyday eyeshadow look. You wake up, you wash your face, you moisturize, you put a liner, you put a little bit of eyeshadow, and you're gone. These are the simple eyeshadow tutorials. I hope you enjoy. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. Thank you for watching. We start right now. Next, we do our eyeliner. For those of us who want top eyeliner, we will do an eyeliner. Hold this way and we glide. Eyeliner. In the morning we are busy, we're trying to get ready to go to work, and this is the makeup we are doing. Now we're doing bottom eyeliner. Bottom eyeliner is on. And this is today's simple everyday eye makeup. You do the eyes, and you can use powder or foundation, a little lipstick, and you're ready to walk out the door to go to work. This is my get ready with me workflow, simple everyday eyeshadow makeup. I use Juvia'S Saharan 2. I use my Laura Mercier press setting powder. As you can see, I hit pan on this one. I love it very much. And I use the Florrie Roberts blush. I hope you like, I hope you share, I hope you subscribe, and thank you again for watching. Always remember, love self plenty, take care of self. Self is important. And also, if you're feeling depressed, sad, please talk to someone, and also pull your colorful palette out, play with it in the mirror, have fun, and I'll see you again in a simple, everyday, sexy eyeshadow. Peace out. That's it. Bye.